Nollywood contributed to the destruction of Igbo spiritual system. Like, they took what was supposed to be beautiful, logically sound, and they twisted it, turned it into something that is evil, that is demonic. So in that movie, this young woman, this young lady, she was part of a marine kingdom. In that marine kingdom, she was tasked, but with her job there is to deceive men and bring their destiny into the marine kingdom. So eventually she met a man that she loves. Now, when she met that man she loves, she does no longer want to be part of this marine spirit, whatever they are doing. So she was now moving from prayer house to prayer house, from dibia to dibia. This is where they now made this song. Mommy, water, leave me alone, no. I don't want to be your own again, no. I be normal person, living in this world. Leave me, make I marry the one person I love. Now, when she's now ready to get married. The Mami Water did not allow her, because according to the movie, she was like a top salesperson. She was bringing in souls, and she was destroying destiny. So why would the deity, not sorry, the Mami Water, why would they allow her to go just like that? So that's the kind of perception Christians have about water